I am living in the abundance I've always dreamed of, feeling the security and joy it brings. Isn't it wonderful that every financial goal I set is achieved effortlessly and joyfully? Every night, I rest in the comfort of knowing my wealth is growing exponentially. I am a powerful creator of prosperity, and my wealth is a reflection of my inner abundance. The universe consistently blesses me with financial opportunities and successes. I rejoice in the luxury and freedom my wealth provides, feeling grateful and fulfilled. Isn't it beautiful how my investments multiply, providing me with a life of ease and comfort? I am surrounded by wealth in all its forms, appreciating the security it brings to my life. My bank accounts overflow with abundance, and I am deeply thankful for this prosperity. I easily attract lucrative opportunities, and my talents are rewarded generously. Isn't it amazing how effortlessly money flows to me, fulfilling all my needs and desires? Every decision I make increases my wealth and prosperity. I am worthy of great wealth, and I accept it now with open arms. Financial abundance is my birthright, and I live in a state of constant wealth. My wealth allows me to travel, explore, and enjoy life's luxuries. I sleep peacefully, knowing my wealth is constantly growing. My prosperous thoughts create a reality of abundance and success. I am a magnet for financial miracles, and wealth finds me wherever I go. Every day I experience more wealth, success, and financial freedom. I am financially independent, free to live the life I've always imagined. My wealth benefits not just me, but also those around me. Isn't it wonderful that my life is a reflection of unlimited prosperity and abundance? Wealth comes to me in fun, surprising, and fulfilling ways. I am confident and secure in my financial future, which is bright and prosperous. Every cell in my body vibrates with the energy of abundance and wealth. My positive relationship with money brings constant financial growth. I am grateful for the wealth I have and excited for the abundance coming my way. My life is a testament to the power of believing in and manifesting wealth. Wealth and prosperity are natural, constant, and abundant in my life. Isn't it amazing how my life is filled with financial success and security? Isn't it beautiful how my wealth enables me to live a life of generosity, impacting others positively? I am surrounded by an aura of prosperity, attracting wealth effortlessly in my sleep. Every night I visualize my financial success. Each morning I wake up to its realization. My wealth is a reflection of my positive thoughts and beliefs, growing stronger every day. The universe is abundant, and I am in perfect alignment with this abundance, attracting wealth and prosperity continuously.